This here is our Hamilton Beach blender. I have two kids. One uses it for making protein shakes and the other one uses it for making a mess. And that's what I really like about this, is because it comes apart easy and it's easy to clean. Well, easy for them to clean because I am not their keeper. This can hold up to 1,125 milliliters, which is about the same as 5 cups or 40 ounces. The bottom screws off easily. This blade just cuts through the ice and everything else that they put in there. My one kid uses it to mix his protein drink for going to the gym, and my other kid just likes making a mess with it. But man, it is easy to clean. You can see that the buttons are easy to press, and this one here has a off button, a mix, a puree, a dice chop, and a grind. Plus, the power cord can go right back inside, so you don't have to worry about it taking up room on the countertop. One of the perks of this Hamilton Beach blender is that it doesn't get too loud, and it gets the job done quickly. My kids love it, my wife loves it, and I think you'll love it just as much as we do.